This video demonstrates how to assemble a Campbell Scientific tripod. When you open your shipping box, locate the following items: tripod base, main mast, lightning rod and bracket, ground rod and clamp, mast extension, ground wires, and stakes. Optional accessories may include the guy wire assembly. These tools are used to assemble the tripod: pliers, wire cutters, an adjustable wrench, 9/16 and 1/2 inch wrenches, flathead screwdrivers, a nut driver, level, wire strippers, knife, marking pen or pencil, and a tape measure. Work gloves may also be worn during the assembly. Measure 48.25 centimeters or 19 inches from the bottom end of each leg and mark it. This is the position needed for a 3 1/2 meter diameter leg base. This is the typical leg position for a 2.1 meter mast height. For a 3 meter mast height, measure 35.5 centimeters or 14 inches and mark it at that location. Loosen the tension bolt on each leg. Stand the tripod up and rotate all 3 feet to their flat position and extend the legs. Point one leg toward the equator or downhill if the tripod is being installed on a slope. Tighten the tension bolt on each leg. Loosen the 6 tension bolts on the tripod base. Assemble the mast. The holes in the mast allow the mast extension to be installed at different heights, from 2.1 meters to 3 meters. We are assembling the tripod for a height of 2.1 meters today. Insert the mast into the tripod base. Slide it down until the mast rests on the small tabs in the base, and tighten the tension bolts. Plumb the mast. With the level on the east side, adjust the northeast leg. With the level on the south side, adjust the south leg. Install the 6 stakes through the holes in the tripod feet. Attach the clamp to the ground rod and drive the rod into the ground. The end of the ground rod may flare while it is being pounded into the ground, preventing the clamp from being installed afterwards. Strip 1/2 inch of insulation from the 4-gauge wire and attach it to the ground rod and the tripod lug. Attach the lightning rod to the top of the mast using the clamp. The notched end of the lightning rod fits into the hole in the clamp. Tighten the screw to secure the rod in the clamp. The clamp is then secured to the top of the mast using the U-bolt. There should be a flat washer, lock washer, and nut on each end of the U-bolt.